So right now I have our 1968 MM1 Charger in the booth, ready to go and be painted. It's about 5:30 in the morning. I try to come in a little bit earlier so I can just stay focused, start painting the car from start to finish without any interruption. So once I get dressed here in the booth and I'm painting, it's a nice color. We haven't done it yet. It's real pretty. It's kind of like the burnt orange, but it's a little more bronze look to it. Super transparent, high metallic. So it's one of those colors that you just got to be patient, and you'll spend the next 4 or 5 hours doing. Once I'm done with the car, it's gonna look amazing. I mean, it's the final paint. The prep work went great, and I'm a better painter than Mark, so of course it's gonna look good. First of all, it's a 68 Charger. That is in my opinion, that's the best year Charger out there. Secondly, the color. That MM1 turbine is the first time we've ever done that color here. First time I've done that color. It's a gorgeous color. Then you top on the fact that it's got a white stripe and white interior. This car is just gonna be an absolutely stunning car and probably the best looking car that's ever left here. It's gonna be the normal routine. Mark's gonna pull in, that big honking nose is gonna pick up some smell that he says he can smell, whatever. He's gonna come running down this little hallway here.
Well.
Run into the paint shop, say, oh my God, what are you doing? And it's the same exact stuff we've done for like 2 or 3 seasons now. So if he's gonna do this, some new material would be great.
You've never done that color. That's MM1 turbine bronze.
What's the difference? You know, right now I'm just not in the mood for Mark and any of his BS.
Well, you're supposed to get my help on it.
I'm not doing that.
I don't know what that means.
And I'm just not in the mood for it. I've already talked to him earlier this week about trying to borrow a car, so I'm gonna drop my car off at the dealership. It should be there.
Good idea. Dodge, right? Chrysler?
Yes, Chrysler.
Mopar family.
It's gonna be there for a couple days. In the event it goes over, can I borrow one of your vehicles? And that didn't work out well either. So I'm just not interested about talking to him from this point forward.
Can't see magic paint without a magic hat. Hat, please. This thing really works. Turn them on. Turn the lights on. Turn them on. Turbine bronze metallic. Difficult to spray, difficult to cut.
Looks pretty good, don't it?
Oh my God. A moment of silence, please. Dearly beloved, gather here today to lay to rest this run.
Pretty color, isn't it?
What code is it? Oh no. No! The hat ain't working, man!